In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to A/B test captions using your social media tool. By the end of this video, you'll know how to improve your engagement and reach by testing different captions to see what resonates with your audience. Stay tuned, because we'll also cover a tool I personally recommend that can help you streamline this process, and you'll get an exclusive free trial if you stick around. Let's dive into A/B testing captions. First, you want to start by creating two variations of your caption. These should be different enough to test which one gets a better response. It could be something as simple as tweaking the wording, changing a call to action, or even adjusting the tone of your message. Make sure both captions are relevant to your post, but with slight differences that you want to test. Next, head over to your social media tool. This is where the magic happens. Most platforms that support A/B testing allow you to easily set up a split test. If your tool doesn't directly support A/B testing, don't worry. You can still manually track your results by posting one caption and then switching to the other. However, using a tool can save you time by automating the process and tracking the metrics for you. Once you've selected your two captions, you'll want to make sure your audience is getting a fair sample. That means dividing your audience evenly. Some tools allow you to automatically split your followers into two groups, and each group will see a different caption. If you're doing this manually, simply track the performance of each caption over the same time frame to ensure accurate results. After you've run your test for a set period, usually a few days to a week, you'll want to review your results. Look at metrics like engagement rate, click-through rate, and conversions. Which caption got more likes? Which one drove more traffic? You'll want to focus on the one that performs better for your goal. And don't forget to test new captions periodically for continuous improvement. Now, a lot of people ask, how often should I A/B test captions? And the answer is as often as possible, especially if you're trying to optimize your content for growth. Testing captions helps you learn what your audience responds to, and over time, this can drastically improve your social media strategy. If you want to follow along with the exact process I've just outlined, I'm recommending a software I've tried and tested with great results. This software is designed to make A/B testing simple and effective for all your social media campaigns. And here's the best part. I've secured an exclusive free trial for you to test it out. You'll find the link to the trial in the description below, so make sure to grab it and start optimizing your captions today. So, what's the key takeaway from today's video? A/B testing your captions is a powerful way to boost engagement and see what your audience really connects with. Don't forget to use a good social media tool that helps you track performance automatically, and always keep testing to improve your results. To quickly recap, start by creating two variations of your caption. Use your social media tool to A/B test them, track the results, and always be optimizing. And remember, if you want to follow along with the software I've been using, don't miss the exclusive free trial link in the description. That's it for today's quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.